hexagon lights. We have 5 there, 11 down here. We're gonna set up right now, show you how easy it is to set up. So what you do is you connect the power right here, and this will start off the chain. So this is the first connecting block to the power. Each light you connect will light up like that. These lights are easy to set up. They're very sturdy, they're very strong, they're very durable. They won't break, they're lightweight, and I love them because we light up our garage. They're so bright. This one is going to be a much bigger set. This set right here is going to have a total of 11 hexagon. So it's huge. The one that we have on the wall is currently 5 hexagon. So this one is 11. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna put these hexagons together. So what you notice is that as you connect these lights, they have connectors. And there's 2 types of connectors. You have the V connectors right here that connect 2 lights together, and they have a mounting point right here. See, that's your mounting point, and that's how you attach it to the wall or the ceiling. And the 3 connectors right here also have a mounting point right there. So they connect and they transfer power between these LED strips like this. Inside of these, you have an LED strip, and it's very sturdy and robust. They won't break. They're solid. So you just connect them like this. And the reason why I'm putting them together on the floor is because this is the best way to install them. Because once you connect them, then you can hold them up, put them on a wall, and mount them together as one unit. Otherwise, you will kind of lose the orientation, you will lose the spacing when you start installing them piece by piece. So this is the best way to install them, is connect them like this. And as you can see, they're very easy to set up. You just have these V shapes right here that connect together, and then more V's right here, just building hex along the way. Now, they have different sizes. This one, again, is 11 hex. What I found, and I didn't realize originally, is that yes, you can make different patterns, but what is included in a kit is just enough for you to make this particular pattern. So if you want to combine multiple sets, you can make your own pattern. But the best pattern is a pattern of like 11 hex like this or 5 hex like that. It's a simple staggered pattern. But as you see, we're putting together our 11 hex, and it's very easy, very quick. And it's easier because I lay down the pieces together, and that way you know where the pieces are going to be and the angles, and you're gonna make sure you have all the pieces before you start putting together. But this thing is easy as can be. We're almost done installing our 11 hexagon setup right here. Yep, 11 hexagon is a lot, but we're almost there. It's looking pretty good. All right, moving on over here. Another V shape to connect these 2 together, like so. And then another Y over here, just like that. And they can go in any way. Like these tubes can be flipped this way or that way. It doesn't matter. They just go in together like this, and we're almost there. Almost there. Connect this to this, to this one, to this one, and we are almost. All right, guys, here we go. This is the final stretch of the lights. All right. How many tubes of lights do you have here? Who knows? Who knows? How many tubes of lights do we have here? Is it 25? Is it more than 25? Is it 30? Is it 35? Is it 40? Is it 45? I don't even know how many there is. There's more than 25, and there's less than 50. So it's probably somewhere around 27, or no, more than 35, but less than, oh my gosh, I lost my count. I don't even know how many tubes there are. You guys tell me, how many tubes are in an 11 hexagon set? Count them. How many tubes do we have? I don't know. Let's take a look at the wide shot. How many tubes? How many tubes? Count the tubes. How many tubes do we have? This is a crazy 11 hexagon set. All right, we're done. It's installed. Now we can lift this and put it on the ceiling and then screw them to the ceiling or attach it to the wall and screw them to the wall. But how many tubes of lights do we have in this 11 hexagon set? I don't know. Can I even lift it up? Barely. It's crazy. But there we go. 11 hexagon set right here. How many tubes? Oh, there's too many. Comment down below how many tubes of lights in this 11 hexagon LED set right here. Oh yeah.